Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to the channel you can just do subscribe and join my telegram channel from the given link of the description. You can join this, and this video is going to be regarding a hiring alert. So this hiring is going to be happening for 2023, 2022 and 2021 batch. This hiring is coming from Deloitte, and there is also be another hiring. I'm going to talk about that after I talk about this one. So this is going to be basically a video regarding two hirings. So first hiring I'm talking about is from Deloitte. Okay, so this hiring is for 2021, 2022 and 2023 batch. Most of their hiring is for assistant manager Power BI. Okay, and people who have graduated or completed their graduation in computer science or any information system or any related field, they can apply for this, and their graduation must have been completed by 2021, 2022 or 2023. Okay, only these 3-year graduates can apply for this role. Okay, and this is coming for Deloitte, a big update, new off-campus hiring. I have already mentioned yesterday that many companies will start hiring even for 2023 batches as well. So this is one hiring coming in today. You can just go and apply to the link. I'll be giving the link in the description box. You can go and apply to that. And the next hiring is coming for ABB. Coming in for ABB, and this is going to hire for 2023 and 2024 batch. Okay, and this is going to be a research and development software engineer job. Okay, R&D software engineer or research and development software engineer job. So this research and development type of jobs are very interesting jobs. You have, like, you do not need to do the basic stuff of IT guys what they do. You have to do research in your particular field. You have to invent new things and all. You have to like learn new things. You have to do research on those. So this will be also going to be regarding computer science things, but you have to do research on those things. Okay, so that is going to be interesting, and they also generally pay higher than general normal software jobs. Research jobs generally pays higher for that. So this is going to be 2023 and 2024 batch, as I have already mentioned. Bachelor's degree in CSE or equivalent degree like that, they can apply for this. The two hirings I have mentioned, you can go apply both of these. I'm going to give you the link in the description, and you can share these links as well, or this video as well, to your friends who are looking for a job or have lost their job recently.